Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. I'm getting ready to go over the analysis for the pairs from last week. So AUD CAD, it did as projected. This is one of those sell until it buys. Price gave a 1 hour bearish order block Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Price retraced past the 88 on the weekly. You could have held this sell position all week for 161 pips. I'm sorry, you could have held this sell position all week with a stop loss of 16 pips, possible 120 pips. CAD Chef didn't do as projected. Price didn't tap into the weekly golden zone, but there was possible 108 pips. Euro CAD, the one that gave a lot of us a lot of headache last week. It didn't do as projected. Price didn't tap into the golden zone. There was possible 244 pips. We were expecting price to buy up before it began to retrace. We talked about that last week. There was a 1 hour bearish order block Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern. If you got in for a sale, you would have lost this trade because we did talk about it buying up first. The very next candle gave us a bullish order block. Price bought up for 215 pips. You could have held it until Wednesday. And price gave us a bearish order block at 10 a.m. Eastern for an additional 163 pips. GC, this was God's plan, and also a bullish order block. Price didn't do as projected. It didn't retrace to the golden zone. It bought up all week, possible 242 pips. GN, price did as projected. Price bought up 112 pips before it began to sell, possible 246 pips for this trade. GU, price did as projected. Price traded in a zone, so it was in this small area for a few days during the week. Price gave a 1 hour bearish order block Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern. It sold down 35 pips to the golden zone. After tapping into the golden zone, price gave us a 1 hour bullish order block on Monday at 3 a.m. Eastern. With a 30 pip stop loss, you could have held it all week for 173 pips. NJ, which was amazing to me on this pair, it did as projected. We had a bearish order block for the week. However, it was just a retracement to tap into a previous bullish weekly order block. Price had tapped into this order block 3 times. However, with the current weekly bearish order block, price gave us a 1 hour bearish on Sunday night at 6 p.m. Eastern for a buy to the golden zone of that current weekly order block for 85 pips. Price tapped into a previous 1 hour order block, cleared the imbalance, began to sell for 151 pips. Here's the juicy part. This was also the 78 of that bullish order block that I spoke of earlier from a couple of weeks ago. Price gave us a swing low and a 1 hour bullish OB. Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern for a buy, 271 pips on this move. UCAD didn't do as projected. Price did not tap into the weekly golden zone. Price bought up and then began to sell. Gold did as projected. Price tapped into the 78 of the weekly OB, possible 3,476 points. And I think that's pips. So that's the weekly analysis. Thank you very much and happy trading.